I've reviewed so many cashback debit cards, and rewards change quick, so time for a wallet update. I review a lot, but what's in my wallet right now is what I'm using regularly or at least testing. I'll also break down why I've replaced some of the cards in my wallet when I made this video 6 months ago. All right, let's jump in. All right, starting off, the wallet that I'm using is from Code 118 Wallets. I'm a huge fan of it. I've literally been using them for years and haven't had any issues. This one specifically is the topographical smart wallet. All right, let's break out some cards. All right, so right now I've got 6 cards in my wallet, one of which is my ID, so I left that out. The other 5 are debit cards because my wife and I choose not to use credit cards. My goal is to help people live financially free lives, and living with no credit cards is our way of proving that it's possible. All right, card number 1 is the Chase debit card. Of course, this is the only one that still has embossed numbers on the front. Gotta cover those up. This is one of our 2 primary accounts. I've always had a good experience with Chase, so we'll continue to use them. Also, they have a number of cashback offers, and some of them are pretty decent. We've used them many times for restaurants, groceries, even tires, because there are places that we would shop anyways. Number 2 is the Venmo debit card. This one I'm carrying right now for a couple slightly weird reasons. First, a lot of people have paid me recently for things, and it's all been in Venmo, so I have a huge balance, might as well spend some of it with the card. Hey, chill. Spending it on gas and whatnot. I'm not just spending it to spend it, even though there's so many Legos I want to buy. Secondly, Venmo sometimes comes out with cashback promotions. Recently, they did this telling people that they could earn 10% cashback up to $25. Venmo's got okay cashback, but ultimately it's probably not going to stay in my wallet long term. But at the moment, hey, it's a good offer. Did you know that I have a tool I designed for you to find the debit card with the best cashback for the companies that you regularly shop at? The answer is an emphatic yes, and it's free. I made this because I realized there are so many cashback debit cards I reviewed, and it's really difficult to know which debit card offers cashback at the store I'm about to shop at, without taking a ton of time to search all the banks for their cashback offers. So I made a Google sheet and filled in over 1,800 companies with their cashback offered across a bunch of different debit cards. I'm continuing to improve it by updating cashback, adding more cards, and adding features. Just click the link in the description down below, put in your email address, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. When you open it through your email, all you have to do is Control F and search the sheet for your favorite companies to see which debit cards offer cashback. I've already used this a ton of times myself. It's way easier than the old way of searching for all the offers on all the different bank accounts. So whether you're trying to find what cashback is offered through your debit card or trying to find which debit card to get next, click the link below. All right, back to the video. Card number 3, the PayPal Business Debit Card. This one I've been testing recently for the sake of a video, but it's really pretty great. It uses your PayPal balance and can earn 1% cash back on eligible purchases. And you know, it's helpful to have a business debit card with me when I need to purchase things for the channel. Card number 4, the Discover Cashback Debit Card. This one has been a regular carry for me for a long time now. It gets 1% cash back on up to $3,000 purchases every month. We've had no issues with this card or the checking account. You can link it with a high yield savings account, which we use for our emergency fund. Just a huge fan overall, and it's one of our primary spending accounts. And card number 5, the PayPal Personal Debit Card. This thing really became a great debit card in the last few months. PayPal started to offer 5% cash back on one major category per month for the first $1,000 that you spend in that category. You can choose between 5 categories: restaurants, gas, groceries, clothing, and health and beauty. You can change the category every month, which is perfect. In October, we were going on a big road trip, so we chose gas. But every other month, we spend much more in our groceries. So I mean, if we spend $500 on groceries, that's an extra $25 cash back. Not bad at all. All right, last time I made this video 6 months ago, I had 3 different cards in my wallet that I have since replaced. Number 1 was Truist, which no longer has any offers on the level that I was at. Also, I changed my direct deposit from it. So number 2 was Upgrade, which is a great debit card, and I recommend it to a lot of people, but it needs direct deposit to get the best rewards, so I don't use it. And number 3 was Acorns, which I was testing at the time. Just not the best and not as good as some of these other cards that I'm carrying right now. All right, that's what I've got in my wallet. Let me know what you have in yours. If you want to check out the wallet, click the link in the description down below. Otherwise, subscribe for more debit card content and watch this video next.